Ever wonder if your Galaxy S25 Ultra can turn simple text into a hand-drawn sketch automatically? In this video, I will show you how to use Drawing Assist with the S Pen to generate a sketch using the text-to-image feature, and then save it to your gallery. It's simple, fast, and perfect for creative note. First, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap Drawing Assist. Inside Drawing Assist, look for text to image and then tap the text field. Write your idea. In this example, type a house with a tree next to it. Tap Done to confirm. Next, choose the sketch effect. This will turn your idea into a hand-drawn style image. Now tap Generate and wait a moment. Once the sketch appears, look at the top for the download icon. Tap it to save the generated sketch directly into your gallery. And that's how easy it is to turn text into a sketch using Drawing Assist on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can try different prompts and effects to explore your creativity. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.